Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Welcome to FinTech Pulse, your weekly dose of fintech innovation from around the world. Today, we're shining a spotlight on two exciting developments that are set to shake up the financial landscape in Australia. First up, Moonfare, a Berlin-based digital private equity investing platform, has announced its entry into the Australian market. This is big news for eligible investors in Australia, who will now have access to a curated selection of funds from top quartile managers like KCR, EQT, and the Carlyle Group. With over €3.30 billion, $3.40 billion in assets under management and access to more than 110 funds, Moonfare is well positioned to fill the gap in private equity investing that has been a challenge for Australian investors. We're excited to bring our wealth management technology to Australia, says Adam Banks, head of OPAC for Moonfare. We've got a growing appetite for private equity investing here, and we're confident that our platform will provide seamless access to globally leading managers. Now let's take a closer look at what this means for Australian investors. With Moonfare, they'll be able to diversify their portfolios across a range of strategies, from buyout to venture capital, all with low minimums. And with the ability to participate in secondaries, private credit and co-investments investors will have access to a level of flexibility that was previously out of reach. So is 2025 shaping up to be the year of Regtech? The answer seems to be yes, based on the growing interest in regulatory technology. In Australia, Nudge is a fintech startup that's taking advantage of this trend by developing a superannuation data platform. With $4 in equity and debt financing, Nudge will use this funding to fuel its capabilities for faster data processing and sharper insights. This is an exciting development, particularly given the growing regulatory requirements and calls for increased transparency in the superannuation industry. Funding will help us drive better financial outcomes, says Matthew McKenzie, founder of Nudge. We're empowering funds to make informed decisions, and we're confident that our platform will make a real difference. But Regtech is not just about startups like Nudge. It's also about partnerships between established companies and fintech firms. Take the new partnership between Ozone API and Product Cloud, which aims to help Australian companies comply with open banking API regulations. With Ozone API's global expertise in open finance and Product Cloud's innovative product management platform, this partnership is set to remove the complexity of achieving CDR compliance. Our platform is already helping banks and financial institutions around the world, says Hugh Davies, co-founder and CEO of Ozone API. We're excited to combine our expertise with Product Cloud's solution to provide a seamless experience for Australian companies. So what does this mean for the future of fintech in Australia? With Moonfare, Nudge, and partnerships like the one between Ozone API and Product Cloud leading the charge, it's clear that Regtech is set to play a major role. Whether you're an investor, a startup founder, or just someone interested in the latest fintech trends, there's no denying the excitement around what's happening in Australia right now. Thanks for tuning in to FinTech Pulse. We'll be back next week with more news and insights from around the world of fintech.